So making video outside now has become very, very stressful. Most especially when you want to shoot under the sun. Now, if you want to follow the frame rate and all of those things, you don't want to shoot higher frame rate, you just want to follow the sequence as the camera has asked us to do. You don't want to change your shutter. You don't want to increase your shutter more than 50 or 60 like that. You now have to start buying things to compensate for it. For example, I am shooting this video at ISO 800 outside and you're seeing it like this. Let me show you how the video is originally. Originally, this is how the video would be going on with my right setting, unless I'll start trying to reduce my f-stop. And reducing my f-stop will also have to reduce the background depth of field that I have. Automatically, that means I will also lose, like if there is any distraction behind me, that will also be part of it. So now let me put a filter back. So with the filter back on, as you can see, I'm looking way better than it was. That is me putting an ND filter. If you're using ND filters, you understand that ND filters are like sunglasses for your lens. It's either you can use it to increase your brightness or reduce the brightness. Now I have been able to balance it. Same setting, same everything, but I've been able to balance it using ND filter. And even in our ND filters, we have two stop, we have different stop like that. So I have this set of filters here, 1, 2, 3, 4 that I bought when I was using my Canon lens. Now the mount of that lens and the mount of this one is different, which means automatically I have to buy new filter every single time I'm buying a new lens. So for that reason, the best thing that came to my head was to buy this. Let me reduce the brightness so you can see it. This, I had to buy this. Yes, now buying this now will enable me use many other filters. Let me show you. So what I have here is a set of filter ring. For your like an adapter that you can put your filter, then put it into your camera. So each of them has a number. This one is 77 to 82 mm. Now on your lenses, you have what you call 77, you have different numbers. So as you're seeing it like this, it automatically you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's about 10 that you have here. So no matter how small your lens is, you have something for it. This is how the smallest one is. So no matter how small your lens is, you have an adapter for it. Now, instead of me moving around with a lot of filters, I can decide to move with just one filter and a lot of this. I have like 4 different kind of filters here. I have this one as ND filter 58 mm. Let me show you what FLV filter looks like. FLV filter, CPL filter. So this is the filter I normally use when I'm using my 70 mm, the lens that came with the lens that I'm using, most especially when I want a very good depth of field, my f2.8, no, 1.2 lens. So now for this camera that I'm using now, this particular filter I have here is already from K and F. So the adapter is also from K and F. So now I would look at the mount of my camera to know what matches it best, then use this particular filter for it instead of using all the many filters. 49. So what I was using there was 49. So I have to look for 49. So right now what I have in my camera is a CPL filter and an ND filter. For those of you who don't know what the CPL filter does, it can go from warm to cold, understand? Then you can see my ND filter is still there because I can still brighten it, reduce the brightness. So now because of this particular adapter called the filter ring adapter, I can now add multiple filters from different size ranges. Now I got that from one of these filters. The filter size was supposed to be around 58 mm. So I'm adding 58 mm to 49 mm ND filter, using it simultaneously. So this is something every videographer, photographer needs to have. If I decide I want to add another ND filter on top, I still have a bigger ND filter that I can add on top, as you can see. So if this video has taught you something, please do well to get this for yourself if you are a videographer and a content creator, so that you can peacefully shoot outside. As you can see, I'm outside, the sun is very, very hot. You can even see it from my face that I'm sweating. You can even see it from my face. So that's it.